Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you remember last year, I actually installed some Canards on the front of my car. They were like 10 bucks from eBay, but I decided to upgrade them to something that looks a little better. So these are the ones that I installed. They're kind of like this satin or matte carbon fiber replica. They're okay, but I got these for 16 bucks on eBay. And they come in a variety of sizes, and they actually look a lot better. They're gloss black, and of course they're held on by double-sided tape, so really easy to install. I'm only going to use 2 on each side versus 3. I think 3 is overkill. But let's start by removing those, which is pretty straightforward because they're just held on by double-sided tape. So I can actually just yank them off, and they come right off. And they actually held up pretty well through the past couple months over the winters too. So I'm just gonna clean this up with some rubbing alcohol and some microfiber towels, and then we'll install the new one. There you have, guys, fully installed. I actually really like the way they look compared to the other ones I had before. And the way that I stuck them on, they kind of flow with the lower lights, which I think looks killer. I don't know, give me your opinions in the comments below. Well, there you have it, guys. Another simple, easy modification to your car. It definitely changes the look of your car, and only for about 16 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can buy it. If you do like the video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.